You're watching ABC4 News, celebrating 75 years.
Welcome back. We turn now to the extreme weather in California. A winter storm bringing rain and heavy snow to parts of the state, sending evacuation orders to low-lying communities as floodwaters rise to dangerous levels. At least one person has died as the state braces for 2 more storms later this week. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest.
Homes engulfed, cars floating through water, and roadways shut down as Northern California faces dangerous flash flooding. An atmospheric river dumping historic amounts of rain. ABC's Matt Gutman on the ground in Point Pleasant, where evacuation orders are in place.
The speed of this rushing water you're seeing behind me gives you a sense of the volume here.
San Francisco seeing its second wettest day on record, with 5 inches of rain falling in the downtown area on Saturday.
Street flooding, house flooding, mudslides, rock slides, wires down, trees down.
Within 15 minutes, a garage door busted, cracked, and the water just started pouring in. And this place was full in a half an hour. It was full.
At least 3 to 4 feet of floodwater rushing into this restaurant in San Francisco's Mission neighborhood.
We had half of us standing on these tables here and the rest of them inside. And then at a certain point, it was clear that there was nothing to do, so we decided to evacuate.
The massive amount of rain causing at least 2 levees to fail, an entire community urged to seek higher ground. One man was found dead in his vehicle near the city of Elk Grove. In Fresno County, responders rescued the 78-year-old man from his pickup truck as floodwaters rose around him. Severe flooding near the city of Danville turned roads into fast-flowing rivers. Firefighters used kayaks to help this mom and her 2 young children.
I really felt at no time we weren't going to be rescued, but it was very traumatic.
And it wasn't just the rain coming down hard. At one point, over 7 inches of snow fell per hour Saturday afternoon in Lake Tahoe. And Northern California is not in the clear yet. 2 more storms are expected later this week. Several more feet of snow could fall on the northern Sierra Nevada. Rena Roy, ABC News, Los Angeles.
Time now for Utah's most accurate forecast with Nate Larsen. Weather rates certified 11 years in a row.
And we've got meteorologist Nate Larsen in for Alana Brophy today. And Nate, it's just amazing the weather that we have seen the past couple of weeks across the country, really.
Yeah, that atmospheric river hit the Sierra Nevadas, dumped a plethora of snow, not only in the mountains, but rain, of course, across much of California. Our mountain areas got hit hard as well. Not all mountain ranges. This is a look at Logan Canyon, saw as much snow as we saw, say, in the Sundance, Provo Canyon area, but all of our mountain areas under an avalanche warning. This is through tomorrow morning, now 6 o'clock. It will likely continue to be extended as we continue to see these avalanche conditions continue. And again, this is just, you want to avoid travel into the backcountry. You want to avoid areas that have slopes greater than 30 degrees or areas, of course, that are prone to avalanches, as it's going to be significant avalanches that do occur where they're going to be deep and they're going to move fast. Sundance had 50 inches of snow with the snow that compiled over the weekend. 43 at Brighton, so anywhere from 3 to almost 5 feet of snow in some of the mountain areas. The Upper Cottonwoods, Park City Mountain, 39 inches, 37 inches, so just over 3 feet at Alta. Snowbird, 32 inches. Even the Wasatch Back, 14.5 inches for Park City. Sandy, some of the valleys have seen over a foot of snow. Tooele, 14 inches. South Jordan, 10. Bountiful, 9 inches. Chris Williams, this is what it looked like yesterday with all the snow coming down. It was much lighter overnight. Still had about 3 inches in some of the south end of the valley this morning. And we still have some flurries. They were popping up at least on our Colonial flag shot. We've got fairly light winds. Still have some of the clouds, overcast skies across northern Utah, and a few flakes coming down. We're hovering at freezing. North winds are light at 3 miles an hour. Headlines call again for the high avalanche danger continuing. We're going to continue to see a few showers into Tuesday. Southern Utah has a weak storm system that's going to move in overnight into early tomorrow. Could even see a little bit of snow in St. George. Another storm system, though, later in the week. And will it be rain or will it be snow in the valleys? Well, we've had all the snow. I think we'd like it to stay that way. We also had a lot of rain as well with the atmospheric river event that brought in those milder temperatures. So here comes the moisture for southern Utah. Again, model still hanging on to some snow showers across northern Utah into tomorrow. The bulk of the moisture, though, will be across the southern tier of the state as we get into Tuesday afternoon. And then by Wednesday, high pressure builds in. But then right behind it, a storm system tries to work its way through. Not all models agree that we'll see precipitation out of that warm front. Our last warm front was fairly unimpressive. But we do have moisture moving in. This is Thursday afternoon. afternoon and evening. And we'll see some additional snowfall, of course, accumulate as well. Not expecting a whole lot. A couple of inches here and there in the mountain areas, up to about an inch in some of the valleys. Regional forecast then tonight will be in the 20s for northern Utah. Teens for Delta, plan on 33 for St. George, Bluff 24. We'll have teens and 20s as far as overnight lows in east central Utah as well. Tomorrow, 45 for the high in St. George, 30s for overnight lows throughout the week. Daytime highs in the mid-40s to low 50s. Plan on more showers late Thursday into Friday. Fairly dry weather over the weekend, but a chance of moisture increasing again on Monday next week. And we've got a slight chance of snow showers sticking around for the Wasatch Front tonight into tomorrow. 35, 37 on Wednesday. Snow showers mainly late Thursday. Might see a little bit late Wednesday into Thursday if we see anything from that warm front moving through. Best chance will be as the storm system moves through. We warm up to 44 Thursday, low 40s on Friday. Overnight lows could see some snow accumulate, but rain, snow showers in the afternoons. And then upper 30s over the weekend with breezy winds. A high of 40 on Monday. Chance of moisture continuing. Overnight lows closer to average. We'll be back in the upper 20s into early next week. Courtney.